Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to share my eggplant, and this is very simple basic recipe, and I have shared several times. So I had a good size eggplant and I cut it up into these circle pieces. Now I'm going to add to it desired amount of salt and little bit of turmeric, and that is all you need for this. And then after that I have my pan which has only 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and I just spread it around. You can hardly see it, and I'm going to put my eggplant in it, lay it down nicely and covered it in very low heat, and I'm going to cook it till all the water comes out and it's cooked thoroughly. So it might take a while, 20-25 minutes. As you can see, I have laid it down in the pan. As you can see, I have laid them down on a pan, and I have kept the heat extremely low, very low, and I'm going to put a cover on it. So now it's going to cook maybe 15-20 minutes. I have to keep checking, and after some time I'll see a lot of water coming out. Then I'll take off the cover and let the water dry. So I'll share a final picture with you. So as you can see, this eggplant, they're letting out a lot of water, so it is like 80% water. So I'm just gonna cook it now open for 10-15 more minutes until all the water is dried out. But I have to make sure that my flame is very low because I don't want to burn the eggplant. So now you can see all the water has dried up and the eggplant is fully cooked. So I'm just gonna put it in a plate. So here's the final look for the eggplant, and it's been cooking for 20 minutes and it's done. And it took only 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and you see how nicely fried they are in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And it's hot, steamy, wonderful. All you need is salt and turmeric and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Just rub it on the pan and that's it. But the trick is to cook in a very low heat so that you retain the moisture and the flavor. And if you make it high heat, it's going to burn. It's require more oils and it's not good actually. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I will see you with many more. Bye bye. So here's the video of my tasty eggplant. Now if you cook in a very good non-stick pan, they will come round like this. But if your pan is not very good, then they will be a little bit broken. So make sure you cook in a very good non-stick pan so they can come fully round. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.